Hi and welcome back to Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. My name is Emelie. In this video we're gonna take a closer look at the new Slimline Staggered Rectangles die set. This video is a part of Trinity Stamps' new holiday release called Warm and Cozy. This addition to the Slimline series includes a single die that cuts 5 staggered rectangles out of a Slimline panel. This die does not cut the outer edge of the Slimline panel, so you can easily combine this with other Slimline dies that you have in your stash to make it more versatile and fit your needs and your design. So here you can see how it looks, and I cut mine down simply to fit on top of my Slimline card base, and I used some colors to color in, and then I also raised it up with some foam dimension. And here you can see how this card looks when it's all finished. If you like this project, please give it a thumb up, and if you want some more inspiration, you can also visit Trinity Stamps Instagram, Facebook and blog. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!